Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and today I'm doing a Dia&Co unboxing. And I'm really excited because I feel like it's been forever, and there's some really cute things in there. Okay, so let's check out what I received. The first thing I received is a Maxi dress. It's sleeveless. It's by London Times, and it's $75. It is really beautiful. This is navy blue. It might appear black, but it's navy blue. It's got like a fake wrap in the front. It has a floral pattern. Not to say this in a negative way, but it reminds me of a bathroom my grandmother had in the 70s. But it's cute. It's very retro. And it's, of course, all the way to the ankle, and it goes all the way down. This is the back. Very cute. This is $75. Look at that. And it's got like that softness to it. I love it. I cannot wait to try this. Next is a wrap tee or top. Look at the cute like ruffled detail. It's a tiny little check. It's a blue and a white. Has a little frilly cap sleeve. Has a wrap in the front. I pinned it because I already tried it on. This is by Delancey Studio, and it is $49. I love how it comes into the waist. Has a little tie right here. I love how they pay attention to the detail. This is from Dex Studio. It's very soft cotton. It has like a scoop neck. Again, these are blues. It has some blush, like sort of like a peachy color flower with cream and beige. What's nice about it is how it's long in the front and the back. A little bit shorter on the sides. Very cute. Again, this is by Dex Plus, and it is $42. Very soft. This is a t-shirt. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. It's like these little silky fringies. And it says jungle on it. It's so cute. It's white. The little sleeves. And the sleeves are, believe it or not, they have like a little gather to them. They're not just like a regular like t-shirt sleeve. It's a little frill to it the way they're gathered in there. It's very soft, long. It's casual. The whole box is casual. I had asked for casual, but then I did say please put a maxi in there because I love maxis, and Jessica listened. So it's more on the casual side, but still cute. And this is by Junarose. I love Junarose, and it's $39. Then we have a pair of capris for $65. They are made by Rafaella. Very nice. The pockets are like no-nonsense pockets, blind pockets as my mother would say them. So there's no extra bulk on your behind. And they have like a stretch to them. They too are navy blue, and they have like zippered sides. So I'm gonna put this all together. I'm also going to put on with it some other things that I've gotten in the past and see what they look like together too. Okay, the trying on will begin. Okay, I have on the capris. They're very comfortable. I don't know if I like how they look, but they are very, 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 very comfortable. Very nice. And then this is the t-shirt. And it covers nicely. Like sometimes things are tight along here and they look ill-fitting, but it fits nice. It's cute. I love the tee. Looking from the side. I like it. It's cute. My hair is a bit of a mess, but I like it. All right, on to the next. This is my favorite. I absolutely love it. I love the little like frill of it. The little cap sleeve. It's really cute. I even have some like black silky pants, wide leg pants. I could wear this to work. It would look cute. Little necklace. Love it. This is a blouse I had gotten from Dia&Co last year, and it has a little swing to it. It's really cute. I love the collar. It's so cute. And I put it on over the capris because there's something really nice about the capris I want to show you. I have a very small waist compared to my behind. Can't tell through here, but the reason why I put this on is this would look cute together. I could even put a belt with it or whatever. But you know, girls, when that happens to you, there's always this gap between your back and the pants. There isn't a gap at all with these. These are pretty amazing. And I love it they have that blind pocket in there because there's no extra material on your back side. It really lays nice. No gap. Nice. That is hard to come by. Okay. You're doing a good job, Jessica. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to put on the maxi dress. Okay, here's the front of the maxi dress. It has a V, which I love. Then I'll show you the back. And then the side. And then here it is from the front. I don't love it as much as I thought I would. I'm going to put on a denim jacket with it, which Jessica suggested, and I still don't like it. I think it's where it falls here. I don't think it has anything to do with the dress. The dress is gorgeous. I just don't think it's a fit for my body. But it's very cute. Just because it doesn't work for me doesn't mean it can't work for you. Okay, so Jessica, thank you so much. You're doing a very good job as usual. And I'm gonna go over the price with you right now. I keep all 5 pieces, which are a pair of capris, 3 tops, and then the maxi. It's $182.50. See, to me, that's amazing. I love that. I'm not sure if I will keep the dress. If I did, I would have to button it up. But I will be keeping the other pieces, I think. Thank you, Jessica, and thank you for tuning in to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne. You have a good night. Please find us at www.fromthefoxesden.com. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like, comment, and share. It's how we communicate with each other. You have a good day.